Hi, I'm Lauren with your librarian. We are going to continue teaching you about video communication tools so that you can stay connected with your family, your friends, your coworkers, and others during this time at home. I know our last couple videos have been about Zoom and FaceTime. This week we are going to cover Google Meets and Google Hangout, which are the two video conferencing platforms offered by Google. So, what's the difference between them? In the first half of this video, we'll tackle Google Hangouts, which is a communication platform with video chat and messaging offered by Google. It is completely free to use with your Gmail or Google account, and you can have up to 25 people per call. We'll cover Google Meet on the second half of this video, and Google Meet was designed primarily with businesses in mind. It can hold up to 250 people per call and has a lot of additional features that Hangouts doesn't have, like adaptive layouts such as tiled layouts, live streaming, live captioning, and more. Google Meet is currently free until September 30th. Thank you again to my amazing coworker Laura for putting together these tutorials. It is greatly appreciated.
Hello, welcome back to another video tech tutorial. So today we're going to be talking about Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts is a free video calling app that allows you to video conference with other people with Google or Gmail accounts. To host a video call meeting, the first step is to go to the Google Hangouts website, hangouts.google.com on a computer, or download and open the Hangouts app on a smartphone or tablet. On a computer, you can also access the site by clicking on the square grid next to your Google account and finding the Google Hangouts logo from there. On the main page, select Video Call to start a meeting on the left side of the page. This will open a screen that allows you to invite people to the meeting. You can enter another person's Google email address to invite them, then click Invite. However, the other person has to go to their Google Hangouts page to see the invitation. So I think the easiest way to send someone an invite is to click down here where it says Copy Link to Share. Then all you have to do is just paste the link in an email you send to the person or people you want to invite. Now we're going to look at it from the other perspective. Let's look at how to join a meeting once you receive an email invitation. First, log into your Gmail account. Then, locate the Google Hangout invitation you were sent by the host. The email should contain a link that looks like this. So to join the meeting, you want to go ahead and click on that link. And you may get a pop-up that says your camera or microphone is blocked. If you get this message, just dismiss it. And to unblock them, it's different across browsers, but you should be able to go up to your address bar and click on a camera icon. Then select the choice to allow camera and microphone access. When everything looks good at this preview screen, select the green Join Now button to join the video call. At the bottom of the screen, you can mute or unmute yourself by clicking the microphone icon. You can also turn your camera on and off by clicking the camera icon. There's also a chat option on the left side of the screen where you can type a message to everyone in the Hangout. If you want to share your screen, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Share Screen. You can choose to share your entire screen or just a certain window. And finally, to leave the call, just click the red phone icon. Google Meet is a paid, business-oriented video conferencing application that is similar to Google Hangouts. While you need a paid subscription to host a Google Meet, You do not need a subscription to join a Google Meet. Also, unlike Google Hangouts, you do not need a Google or Gmail account to join a Google Meet. All you need is an email address to receive a Google Meet invitation. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily join a Google Meet hosted by another person. The first step is to log into your email on either a laptop or desktop computer. You can also use Google Meet with a smartphone or tablet by downloading the app from the App Store. Once you're in your email, find the email message you were sent by the host of the Google Meet. The email should look something like this. So you want to go ahead and click on the link that starts with meet.google.com. After clicking the link, you may get some pop-ups that ask you about allowing access to your camera and microphone. You just want to click Allow on any of these messages. Then you should see a rectangular box on the left side of your screen. This shows you a preview of the picture you will be displaying to the other people in the meeting. Mine is black because I have the camera off, but you can turn the camera and microphone on and off with the buttons at the bottom of the box. When the preview screen looks good, click on the green Ask to Join button on the right side of the screen. The host of the meeting will have to accept you before you enter the meeting. There are a few different options at the bottom of the screen. You can mute or unmute yourself by clicking on the microphone icon here, and you can turn your camera on and off by clicking on the camera icon. On the right side of the screen, there is also an option to share your screen. This allows you to display your entire computer screen or just a certain window to meeting participants. This can be a good way for showing pictures or tutorials to others. The three dots in the corner of your screen give you more options. One thing that you might want to do here is change the layout. This allows you to change how everyone appears on your screen. When it's time to leave the meeting, all you have to do is click on this red phone icon in the bottom middle of the screen. If you have trouble with any stage of the meeting, there is also an option to call into the meeting. On a phone, you would dial the number listed in the email from the host you were sent. Then you will be asked to enter the PIN number. This PIN number is listed in the email you received as well. During the meeting, to unmute or mute yourself, press *6 on your phone.
If you have any further questions, feel free to email us at reference@cldnj.org, or you can always sign up for one of our Tech How to Help sessions on our website, which is www.cldnj.org. Thanks! We'll see you next time.